I am a lot more productive nowadays because I use AI as leverage, but my income has not changed that much. So this week I decided to reorganize my whole business. Hey everyone, this is Alan, and as you guys know, I am a freelancer. I am a freelancer developer, and I work remotely here from Brazil. And today I want to talk about the idea that you need to understand that working on your own is challenging and is a lot harder than people think. I wouldn't change it for anything. I wouldn't want to take buses every day to go to work in an office. But there are some things that are not really easy. And this video is not about money, it is about how hard it is to organize a freelance business alone on your own. So let's get into the idea. And one thing is that you need to know that there is a trap if you are working by yourself, that it's not always more output will mean more income. So I have been working using AI as leverage. So AI made me a lot faster and a lot more productive, but my income stayed basically the same. So I I I am being honest right now. I am working a lot faster than before. I am not getting into a hype speech about AI, but it really changed a lot for me. And I decided to talk about and I decided to reorganize my freelance business because I saw a video that talked about Maslow hierarchy of needs. And it was actually a video from Bruno Fajon. He has the channel Crafting Cases in English, and he has a channel about business models in Portuguese. So he has this video that he posted recently, but this is possible is available only in Portuguese. I will put it in the description, but maybe there are subtitles. If there are, it is a really good watch. But he said in his video, he talked first about the Maslow hierarchy of needs, this pyramid form that says that first we usually will need to get the things that we need to survive, like food, water, enough sleep. Then we will get safety, and then the feeling of belonging, and then esteem. And the last one would be, in average, the self actualization. So you will not, in his idea, you will not be able to, you will not really uh, think that much about belonging if you don't have enough food to eat now and you are hungry. So it makes a lot of sense. But in Bruno's video, he talked about the same pyramid but for businesses. And in the first point, in his first point about cash flow and revenue, this one is licensed to operate. It doesn't really matter that much for me, but in the point about survival, I was already stuck. So I saw that I needed to fix it as soon as I could. And so he says that he has the thesis that you need to fix your cash flow and your revenue, and then you can go to profit margins, and then recurring revenue, LTV, and in the end you will work with culture and mission. And the thing is, it's not easy to do it on your own at all. So I decided to reorganize. I used AI a lot to help me search for what I could do. I I talked and got material from friends that are better at selling than me. And yeah, the idea that I got from his video is that you cannot skip levels. and I am actually stuck in level 1 right now because I need to fix the survival of my business first. So he says that cash flow is the oxygen of a business. If it runs out, nothing about above it matters, like food if you are a person. And I decided to focus with this idea to fix the cash flow of my business. I decided to focus on what I am better at, and it is service as providing service as a freelancer. But now I have AI at my side. So I am a service provider. That is my strength. I am not someone that sells products online. I work online. And AI is the leverage on top of it and not the replacement. And right after I watched the video and decided to organize, I took some actions and started talking to people that I've worked with in the past. And I already closed 3 deals after watching the video. And it was not by luck because watching Bruno's video and seeing that I will be transparent with you guys. I was thinking a lot about building my own brand and thinking about how I could increase my LTV, how I could create info products to have recurring revenue, but I did not fix the cash flow first, and it is the first part from survival. And let me just draw that. Yeah, okay, this is better. So I did not fix this yet. So now I decided to after seeing this order, the next steps were more obvious to me. And the lesson that I took from this video is not only about about the steps, the order to organize your business. It is actually I realized that organizing steps makes it easier to decide what you can do next. So it is important to organize steps because they will make it easier for you. Just as I said, I said before reading the slide, and then I saw it was repeating the same thing. And that's the lesson that I would tell you guys for you to keep and try to apply on your business. And yeah, the idea and to be like on ground level, to be realistic, you need to focus on surviving first, and then after that you can focus on grow. And this is Bruno's video. As I said, it is in Portuguese. I will put it in this description. And anyway, so if it has subtitles, it will be a really good video to watch. And this is the part where that I started in the last video. So now in the end of every video, I will talk a little bit about behind the scenes. And yesterday was a really good video. I was not expecting it to go that well because compared to other videos, it is already one of the most of the best with the one with the best results. And in one part of the video, I said that if you guys were watching, you please you should comment on the video, and all these people commented. So I am really grateful for you guys. And this comment is something else because it says that I started an art channel and quit after the fourth video, but I feel like starting again after watching this. So this comment really made my day today. And thanks everyone that you guys, if you are one that commented and you are seeing your own name here, comment in this video again, please. And if you are this person that started the art channel, please go back to recording, go back to creating your art videos. The world will need people that are good with art because without art we are like animals, I would say. I will not go a lot so deep in this thought, but I really like this thing, the idea of appreciating art. It is something that make us humans. And that's it for today. I see you guys in the next video.